Hello kids, welcome to my Little Star Learning and Playing YouTube channel. Hi kids, today we will learn numbers from 1 to 20. Let's count together step by step.
Okay everybody, we're gonna count from 1 to 20 with some actions. Okay, here we go. From 1 to 5, clap your hands. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Okay, now from 6 to 10, let's wave our hands. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now from 11 to 15, let's march in place. Big steps. Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, that was great. Okay, from 16 to 20, let's dance. Here we go. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, that was great. Now, can you do it all at once? Yes? Okay, here we go. 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now wave your hands. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. 11 to 15, march. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last one, let's dance. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. Okay, now I'm going to play a little guitar for you, and let's go from 1 to 20. Let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! I did it! Alright.
Thank you. Please do subscribe to my Little Star Learning and Playing YouTube channel.